Here are the kids. What are you doing? Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
They are babies. Hello, princess. Hello.
Bye.
Good girl. You big girl? Tignan niyo guys, big girl natin baby. Oh. Hala, grabe ka na ko anak, day. Okay na ka na? Guys, kasi one big news. So Daddy Mike already booked the ticket.
Oh, didn't it? Doesn't.
One-way ticket.
Ah, I didn't know everyone did it though.
No, haven't told everyone yet. But yeah, you know. Now you know. Hi guys. Good afternoon.
Welcome back
Can
to
you
the channel.
Can you see your face? Is that Celine?
Welcome
Yeah. Welcome back.
to the channel. And today we're going to the Jake's house.
What are you going to do at Jake's house?
Play.
Play. It is now 2 o'clock in the afternoon and we're all ready. Aalis na kami. Actually, paalis na talaga. Sabi ko, Daddy Mike, mag-open na kami ng...
For Jake.
You ready for Jake? You haven't seen Jake for a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's been having COVID.
Wait, didn't have COVID. There's COVID. There's illness floating around. That's why. And the police, Tito Police closed everything. That's why we weren't able to go visit him. But now you're going to see him.
Cause the police just opened the toy shop already.
We're not going to the toy shop. We're going to Jake's.
No, I'm asking you. I'm asking you.
Ah, you're asking me?
Yeah.
Yeah, they opened the toy shop now. But we're going to Jake's and you're gonna play with him and the other friends as well. Show me your outfit, B. Siya pala yung pumili ng outfit niya. There. Stand there. Siya yung pumili ng outfit niya. Tingnan niyo. Oh. Tap! Bongga. We turn around. You're like Elsa. You're so beautiful.
And look at my shoes.
Show me your shoes. Did you choose the shoes? Did you choose the shoes or Daddy?
Me.
You?
Yes, I can do this.
Okay. So you're gonna go now? It's very warm pala today, guys. So ito yung pa-outfit ni mami nyo today. Ayan. So naka-blouse ng ganito, tsaka naka-jeans. Ayan. Oof. I'm sweating na, guys. Sobrang warm sa labas kahit walang araw ba? Yes, Nak? Okay, so we're going.
What do you say?
That's for Tita Jess. Ang sudlan ng Elsa.
But
Sige na, go.
Daddy says.
Daddy's waiting na, quick. Si
Yeah.
Baby Celine is waiting now. Mag-cry na ba na siya? Tara. Wow. Baby Celine. Baby Celine. May bata dito na umiiyak na, oh. Gusto na niyang umalis. Kailangan pa namin yung air conditioner sa sasakyan. Sobrang init sa loob. Hi, Nak. Purot-purot ikaw, Nak. Yung purot. Nalaway-laway. Honey, girl. Don't cry. We'll get there soon. Shamili. You will see Jake soon.
A few moments later.
Time check. It's now 3:30 ng hapon and kakapark lang namin sa labas ng grocery. Gustong bumili ni Daddy Mike ng drinks bago kami pumunta kina Jess. They're not very far from here now. I think at least maybe 3 minutes. Bakit lumabas si Daddy Mike? Walang dala? 3 minutes na lang yung sa kanila. Malapit lang to. And ang ating, tingnan niyo ang ating squad. She's sleeping. This one is sleeping. What's going on, Daddy?
I don't have it.
You don't have any drink? At all?
No, not that I want. No, I like drinks at all.
Huh?
No.
Okay, then we'll just go home. Oh, just go home. We'll just go? Okay. So we're gonna go na lang, guys. Wala daw drink. 2 minutes later ay nakarating na kami dito. Andyan ang bahay ni Jessie yan. Pero itong dalawang to ay tulog pa man. Shall we wake them up?
Unless you want to go for a drive.
It's yeah. Should be fine now. Paris will wake up. Tulogin din siya kasi nandito sa sasakyan. They love sleeping in the car. Alam niyo, sobrang tagal na namin hindi nagkita pa. When was the last time, Daddy?
I don't know. Before I bought this car.
Oh goodness. Was it July? June?
It makes sense. That's when I left down.
That was a long time ago. Yeah. Well, it didn't feel that long because, you know, we always see each other on Facebook and not message pag may time. Kaya hindi halata na sobrang tagal na. But yeah, we're just trying to, you know, parang visit everyone as much as we can, guys. Kasi one big news. So Daddy Mike already booked a ticket.
Oh, didn't
One-way ticket.
Ah, I didn't know everyone did it though.
No, haven't told everyone yet. But yeah, you know. Now you know. So yeah, as soon as nakita ni Daddy Mike sa ang balita na mag-open na yung borders, straight away Daddy Mike booked a one-way ticket to Queensland to Brisbane. So that means that
We're going.
yes, we're going.
We're going to the Gold Coast.
Yeah, so that's why, like, you know, we're seeing people here in Melbourne, our friends, and that as much as we can para, you know, spend time with them before we leave. So the big day is ding ding ding, ding.
January the 4th.
So correct, guys, 4th of January we're leaving Melbourne. And yeah, titira na kami sa Brisbane, guys. I still can't believe it, to be honest. Like, hindi pa siya nag-sink in that we're leaving Melbourne for good. Because, I don't know. Still, yeah. So, wala pa. Itong dalawang to. So, you know, for now, like, because, you know, obviously we're moving to Brisbane, then they will be growing up in Brisbane.
Queenslanders.
Queenslanders, itong dalawang to. So, goodbye cold weather and hello sunshine.
Tropical.
No, umuulan din naman, maginaw din naman minsan siguro sa Brisbane, guys, but
Goodbye.
unlike Melbourne. So yeah, I still can't believe, guys. Can you believe it now, Daddy?
Goodbye grey, hello beach.
Yeah.
Hello beach, hello sunshine, hello slower life. Everything that
Yeah. No, Daddy, everyone from Melbourne was gonna watch this and be like, what are you talking about?
everyone from Melbourne is going to Queensland.
Oh, actually, guys, yes. Yan yung diba? Before, sobrang tagal na kasi namin nagplano na pumunta ng Brisbane, lumipat ng Brisbane. And we've been looking at houses before. So sabi like, oh, okay, you know, it's definitely cheaper compared to Melbourne. So like, yeah, okay, we'll buy a house in Brisbane and that. And now, because it's, you know, lockdown and, you know, the longest lockdown that we had in Melbourne. And I don't know, like all the factors that just added into it, all Melbournians are moving to Brisbane. So now, when we look at places, they're more expensive now, Nadia.
Yeah, but you know, like before, it doesn't matter. Everyone in Melbourne and that want to live in Brisbane anyway.
Yeah, but
Even
before, like, it's, you know, not this
That's what
one.
I'm saying, like, sort of lockdown, like, really pushed people to
Yeah.
leave. But then also, so people used to go to Brisbane and the Gold Coast to retire, or they'd have their holiday houses there because that's where they like to spend their time. But because people used to, all the big businesses that are based in Melbourne and Sydney, so people used to work in Melbourne and Sydney and have their holidays in Queensland or retire in Queensland. But now, because everyone's working from home and people don't need to go into the office and stuff anymore, people are like, oh, cool, we don't need to like just work in Melbourne or Sydney. We can live our dream life in Queensland and we can work from home. Plus a lot of the other like companies in that now, you watch, I'll start building in Brisbane. Brisbane's go boom, trust me.
Yeah. Well, again, you know, looking at the prices, it's definitely gone up now, guys. So it's, yeah, interesting. And but we are moving now. We're finally moving up. So well, mostly Daddy did all the bookings, right? So the car, we'll take the car to Brisbane via truck. Was it truck?
Yeah, truck.
Yeah, truck. So it's quicker. We'll take 6 days.
Yeah, 6-7 days.
Yeah, 6 days.
No rush, but
So-
I'm not like, I think it'll take 6 days, but like I'm not rushed. I'm more like concerned about the quality and the service and the reputation of that company more so than the speed. Because they had like good reputation, like whereas the other ones are a little bit cheaper, but they had crap like cars are going missing. They're taking a month to get there,
Yeah.
damaged. This one had like good rep, so it's cool. And yeah, it seems pretty quick.
Yeah. And then removalist. Have we booked the removalist yet? Not
No.
yet. Yeah.
Gotta do that.
And then pero na-book na ni Daddy Mike yung Airbnb sa Brisbane kung saan kami mag-move. Kasi obviously mag-move kami doon. Wala pa kaming bahay, guys. So when we move there, we're going to stay in an Airbnb
That's right.
for
A
a
week.
week.
Well, maybe more, about a week at the moment.
Yeah. And then we're gonna find a place for ourselves, of course.
Oops, like,
Hi, Nap. Hi, we're here now. See? Jake's house. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. We were just talking about Brisbane.
do you
Yeah.
like Brisbane? Do you like Brisbane or Melbourne? That's right.
Why do you like Brisbane
High
better?
five.
Because?
You're out there.
What is that?
Let's see what man.
That's the only thing that Paris wants, guys. It's SeaWorld. Gusto
And-
niya Brisbane. No,
And
because
sunny weather?
because Melbourne is
Cold. Good girl.
cold. Yeah. Tingnan nyo. Umuulan.
It's raining as you say. Way back.
It's it's like 26 degrees today, but it's raining, and it's already spring. Oh yeah, spring. Next month is summer, so spring now. And today is the hottest day. Is it 26? But then later on, next week and the week later, it'll be like 15, 18, 17, and
I
then
looked it up.
raining.
That's all. Yeah, 14, 15, 16.
Yeah,
that's
I
it.
know. That's why. So that's it, guys. That's for us. We are finally booked. We're going. Nak, we're going to Brisbane. So, sa mga tita labs at tito labs namin dyan sa Brisbane, hopefully, we'll see you there when we move there. Nak, no? Maybe there's tita and tito there in Brisbane. Yeah.
Lots of tita and titos.
Yeah. No, I mean like subscribers.
Ah, better food for you. And better food for you.
What do you mean?
Better Filipino food for you.
Oh yeah. Obviously, I've got Filipino family there, guys. My aunties, uncle, and then
The restaurants.
nanay. My nanay really will cook Filipino food.
A few moments later.
Here's the baby girl. Lanak, asa ka? Unsa man na? Unsa man day? Pag sure na tayo, unsa man gina day? Pagtukan sa tinodya day, unsa man gina? Hala, nakalaag ka la, Tita Jess na. We're here now, guys, finally. Sobrang malakas yung ulan. Di. Wala pang payong si Tita Jess. Oh, ito yung ginamit namin, no? Beach towel para makalabas. Good girl na baba. Good girl na baba. Beautiful. Ay, tush. Say hi sa mo diha, B. Kaya wala.
Hi guys, finally.
Finally, it happened to me. Da, gabi kayo, oh. Luto pa more. Wala, what's that, day? Wala kalami, anak, good.
Salad dati. Magbuko salad na.
Yummy,
Okay,
yan.
tawag dessert ni Ate Marlene doon.
Be?
Naka-habi
Ay, dito ka kuan. Si Silvanas na.
Kami ko ito.
Si Silvanas.
Parang, kuwan daw. Ano sa ganin natin?
Sensible?
Sensible? Ano?
Ang saan, ang daplang.
Pino. Karang, siya magaling ga-introduce na ako.
Kaya pa siya ga-introduce ng wakabalo.
Sensible. Try it.
Ah, Josh yung bata. Okay,
Rawa na.
wala, sorry day.
Okay na ito eh. Jake, biyaan na po. Wait lang ilog. What's up, Mike? Biyaan na po ni Jake.
Abom, basic ay lang luto din eh. Hala, nagpalit siya mong kuan, isa ka baboy.
Palitig sa kababo.
Hala, grabe ka na kuan na, day. Okay na ka lang.
Pananggaman yun dito. Pananggaman na ka.
Happy birthday, day, day. Late na happy birthday.
Half a year na kayo. Half a year. Half a year. 6 months.
Da, grabe, uy.
Captain Boy. So like,
Hala, chef kayo, oh. Aga. Someone is asleep. So busy out here. And chef. Naluto na ni siya, day?
oh.
Wow. Bongga. Kumain na pala ako nito, guys. Oh. Buko salad.
So now he should be hooking this leg. He's got it, see? Cut the angle.
Wala asan ito? Tinunga lang.
Isma, pumuli. Oy, panalagsa.
Seryoso na kayo na busy. Seryoso na na.
Paninood mo na inyo, eh. Oh, wow.
Magkuhan na itong humba.
Wala. Saan yung sabaw, day?
Kuhan na ka na halanghan ay kana dito ang kuante. Halanghan na as kuhan ba murag di dili sa pinaka. Basta gihalang-halang siya nga suka lagi ay ang halang nga. Naman lang. Makadala ko. Kaya tang halang na ba? Naan daghan. Oh. Ang to dira gipo si Peter.
Wala. Gamay kayo lang capsicum. Chef, oh. Uubuan na ko ng chef.
Kala naman dyan. Ito na. Ito, ano natin?
Kasi man ito, ipakita na ko ang action.
Dabuhan lang sana ako para sa mga bata. Dali lang.
That's what he said. Yeah, he goes, watch this guy, and he fucking just
Yeah, he said to me, he said, what's this? He
Kids are here.
He was rolling with the brown belt.
How are you, Ate Paris, Jack, and Aisha?
So I watched it, like the fight started, they kept on, and then within
You love it?
Yeah, but when I Alicia was in my traveling, that's my traveling just been back there.
What happened?
Just back there, look.
Careful, Ate.
Look. What?
Baby Celine is sleeping.
What? I look at it. Alright.
Ate, careful, be. I'll fix your necklace, be.
Gotta come necklace somewhere.
Yeah. Do you want me to take that out
No.
for now?
Yes.
Okay.
I do. No, yes.
Yeah, we'll just take it out for now, huh?
Yes.
Baby, come.
I'm coming too.
Okay. Careful. What? Wait, hang on, anak. Jake will open the... I saw. Paris.
I can do this too.
Baby. Why? Baby, I'll take that off for now. Ask Jake.
What is
Jake,
this
can you open,
there?
please?
There's a slip right there. See? I can't get it out. Then there's a slip there. Look.
Your
Look.
hair, na. Your hair clip is gone.
No.
Okay, open.
I mean this one.
Okay, careful.
No, wait.
It's anak. Wait, anak.
Wait.
There you go.
Here it goes. No.
Go. Okay.
I don't want to use showing here.
No, you have to share, Jakey.
It annoys me. Look.
You share. You be careful, okay? Make sure you don't bump to each other. Mani tayo silingan, day. Silingan mo ba?
What is the road protect? Ako lang pag-message. Wala reply. Wala na. Kuwan lagi siya kay kuwan ba? Nag-ilanta na. Nagkabalo na ka. Hindi kayo lang daw makatakod. Nangyari? Nangyari?
Cut more, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Sobrang daming lutuin, oh. Heart, chicken hearts, chicken livers, and chicken giblets. Wala giblets lang, English ako anday sa Batikulan.
Ha?
Giblets.
Giblets.
Bongga, giblets. Sa kabaryuhan, ilang gilutuan, guys. Tibuok na liwarin. Tibuok na liwarin ilang kuan feeding program.
No. Sa ibisipite, mag-close lang, manitagin na lang ko. Apat yung lamte. Palis Peter, kasi dakuha niya, di na lamte.
Sakto na.
Wala yung kaon. Kaon na lang.
Birthday kasi ni Jess nung September tuloy? July pa na itong birthday. Dahil nag-lockdown, hindi na tuloy. So, November na ang kanyang July.
Pag November. Vlog ko eh.
Vlog po more. So, we'll miss it, Day.
Sabi ako, i-upload day. Wala di ko upload. Hindi nag-upload mo kahapon. Kahapon, magani yan. Sa 3 months na po ito. Maka-upload.
Ako kay, kung maka-edit, ga-vlog man ko, pero ang pag-edit man, Day.
Kapoy na po. Kapoy na gino. Makatapon na. Hi guys. Wala, natakin na guys. Ako mga bawang mga chef nila o busy kaayo.
Busy president.
Busy kaayo. Nag-cut ako ng meat kasi himuon tong kuhan.
Pag sure din mo kasi himuon. Kasi himuon tong kuan.
Himuon tong halang-halang.
Mabash ta ano day ha? Yung Tagalog natin ha?
Ano mo itong balay ka?
Uy!
Ano maging Tagalog? Sayo, puta.
Tarungin mo ang Tagalog.
Ano man yan ang Tagalog sa Bisaya?
Tarungin ang Tagalog. Yan. Ito pa magkani. So, mani, ito may kagmaya. Okay ra kung buhat dali. Basta maputbol.
Kita naman gapon mo kaon.
Basta maputbol ko ba? Putbol ni?
Ha? Hindi. Girl?
Asa man siya pa?
Ano yan eh? Bahala na.
Pero, uy! Mabit kayo. Pag-hinay na.
Ano daw mga yan?
Anak
Ayan guys.
kasi bata.
Ayan.
Every now and then, check ko ang ating baby girl guys na nakatulog. Humot kayo. Humot kayong panakot ah. Nagsiksiha lagi ka karon. Ito yung mong kuan. Ito yung siksiha. Ito yung mong sekreto. Diha.
Diet! Wait, taon-taon. Nanakulan ba?
Your kuan. Dito, your... My skinnier na. Skinnier than last time.
Ah, okay. Pagsugod o lockdown, hala. Sige na dayo rampa. Wala pahuway.
Basi, hadok, basi malakdaw na po sa anin. Sige.
Isa kasi mana, eh. Oh. Isa kasi mana, wala pahuway lagi.
Here are the kids. What are you doing? Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Tingnan niyo mga cute kayo guys, oh.
But excuse me.
Yes.
Did you want to see where I always hide?
Okay. That's Jake. That's Paris, of course. And that's Aisha.
Come.
Ayan. Ano ba? Sobrang cute.
So I will show you.
Okay.
Sometimes they hide there.
Nothing secure because obviously
Sometimes
they
they
can't
hide
change the position just on the basis that I'm moving.
behind there.
Under the table.
They
Obviously, there's a lot of
hide
stuff coming up.
this way.
Don't tell them where you hide, Jakey. Hello, sweetie. Who's holding you now? Hi. Pete. Pete. Ah. No, he's busy. So bago na tayo. Tarong nga na di tita ha? Tarong nga na yung trabaho di tita.
Hindi na ko kabalo ko. Wait lang ba? Nahulog iyang kuan. Ano sabi kay? Anong
Pangandami sa day. Shh! Need to cry. Don't cry. Tita doesn't know how to hold the baby now.
I'm a little hungry.
Are you?
Yes, I just do want to bring these.
Okay.
Where?
There they are. Be careful, ha?
Mommy, I want my scooter.
Yeah, that's your scooter.
Yeah, but Jay is trying to find
No, you share, anak. Okay?
Okay.
Go. Ayan, naglalaro na sa labas. So, careful, ha? Everyone's inside now.
They're all that way.
Because it's raining.
One lightning strike. Did you see me run inside? Literally rain.
Hey, Nana!
Except for Pete. Apologies that I'm a pussy.
Yeah, it's raining hard. Oh, ito lang lechon, luto na.
Yeah.
May bagong dating.
Kaysa nang hiwante tulo. Ate oh.
Nadakan na natin, tabangan na kanabi naman si Mike dito, nagbantay yan.
Oh, iniwari
Baby,
Just a minute, kiss.
hello, princess. Hello,
Bye.
good girl. You big girl? Tignan niyo guys, big girl natin, baby. Oh,
Have you got a smile yet? Yeah, she's smiling. Yeah.
she laughs actually. It's like proper laugh, especially when she's in the bath. She loves the bath.
Does she?
Yeah. Hello, sweetheart.
The water calms her.
Where are we? Where are we?
Yep.
Number 2 na daw, Day. It's time. Lamig ako na, Day.
Mo ito sa Pinas ba? Nga, lamig dito? Ganahan kay kuan eh, magay na papalit ko.
No, ka.
Daghan kaayo oh.
What are you cooking? What are you cooking, Madam? Madam Ag.
Kuan. Unsa na tawagan na? English manggod, iko ka kaligta kog English.
Unsa man na is English?
Dili ba ang katuon sa to giblets?
Giblets.
Giblets, liver and heart.
It's the atay and the heart and the batikulo na. Let's go eat. Let's go eat. Ang daming tao guys. Grabe. Pista. Pista pa more. Have a look at mine.
Can you get it out? I think cut it on that side. And then maybe this one cook a bit more.
Cook it now? Is it not cooked? I better put it down.
It's cooked. It's cooked.
Lechon.
It was in the oven a long time.
Yeah, it's cooked. This one is cooked. This one is cooked. Just this side, like a bit smaller.
I think it's alright.
There's no more blood. Are you okay, Anna?
I'll leave that side.
Oh, what?
I've got it. I'll leave the rest side.
You don't want to eat? Why not?
I'm a noob. No, it's just cut.
Cut it? Alright.
Just cut.
Alright. Yes, I get it.
Just chop whatever you want. Hey, gentle. Right? Gentle.
Hello! Nakamata na ang baby natin na maliit. Tita is practicing.
Hindi na ako marunong. Nag-practice na. I need to do some more practice. Yes. JK, you want a baby sister?
Hi,
You want a baby sister?
Hi, yeah.
Hi.
Crawford.
Honey?
I love you.
eBay for it.
Maliner, did you have a good sleep, Nana? Did you have a good nap? Umiyak na pala eh.
Lagi na yung likod.
Kuha na lang, ang birth mark. Birth mark. Wala, wala siya pagkailat ni Daddy. Daming tao, guys. Daming tao.
One more daw.
One more what?
Baby.
No way.
No way.
Di na siya?
No way talaga.
No way, no
Sabi
way.
ko nga, maghanap na lang ako ng iba. Maghanap na lang ako ng iba.
Guys, grabe, sobrang daming pagkain na iwan, oh.
Nandun pa nga sa
It's photos time now. It's photos time.
Tapos na, magbalot na karot.
Yan, dadala kami nito. Oh. Humba. Sobrang sarap.
Ganito? Hindi, iba yun.
Ito, magdadala din ako nito, guys. Oh, yan. Sobrang daming pagkain, grabe.
Hold up there.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Si Michael, saka si ano, bye na.
Bye-bye. Take care. Yeah, I know. I feel you. Alright, well, see you next time, yeah?
Paris.
Anak, say bye-bye to ate, nak.
Paris?
Nak, bye-bye to ate. Ate's going na, anak. Paris. Bye-bye na ate. Ate na's going. Hello. It's 12 midnight. Oh, is it still raining, Day? Is it still raining?
Russia. Russia.